Hello, our art friends. Today in Kiddy we are going to learn how to draw Mickey Mouse. So grab your art supplies and let's start drawing. First, draw a curved line. On top of it, draw two upside down U shapes for the eyes. Then draw another upside down U shape inside. Color them, leaving white spots to show light reflection. For the nose, draw an oval shape under the eyes. And color it, leaving a white spot to show light reflection. Draw a big curve for the smiley mouth. Ending with a small curve on each end. Then finish the mouth with the curved line under. Then draw the tongue and sides. Draw another smaller curved line right under the mouth to make the chin. Draw half a heart shape on both sides of the mouth, connecting to the curved line under the mouth to make the cheeks. Then draw the top of a heart shape around the eyes. Draw a line coming up from the cheek. Then draw a big circle connected to it to make the ear. Extend another line and make the other ear similarly. Then connect the second ear to the other cheek. Draw a line coming out from the side of the cheek and another line under the cheek to make the arm. Finish it with a couple of curved lines for the first part of the glove. To draw the hand, draw a letter C. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Then attach the thumb to its upper end. Draw 3 more fingers and connect them to the other end of the letter C. Draw a small curve inside the palm. Repeat the same steps to draw the other arm. To make the hand, draw a small line coming out from each side of the bottom part of the glove. Then draw the fingers similarly. Draw 2 long curves curved lines coming down from the arms. Then draw the first leg of the shorts, followed by the second one attached to it. Draw 2 lines coming down from each of the shorts' legs to make Mickey's legs. And each leg with a couple of curved lines around it. Draw big bean shapes for the shoes. Then make a small curved line inside. Draw 2 oval shapes on the shorts. Then draw a long thin tail coming out from the side of Mickey's shorts. You did a great job! Now you can draw Mickey Mouse. Now grab the colors of your choice and let's start coloring. To achieve a 3D effect, pick a darker shade and go over some parts of the drawing. To show light reflection on any surface while coloring, leave a small line without color or use a white pen or pencil over your colors. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.